Here in the version CAM2X, what I've got is an IGES file that I've pulled in here to do some measurement to. But when I go do some saving of my files, the file format that X saves in is an FCE file, known as a Faro CAD engine file. And I just want to show you guys where the default for that is and show you how to change that. So if I was to do a save here, File, I'll do a Save As since I haven't saved it yet. The default is going to be into the CAM2 Measure X1 directory. So let me just say that this is the FCE save demo, and I'll say OK to that. Now what I've got is, I'll show you on my Windows Explorer, if I was to go into my C:, and then I go to Documents and Settings, All Users, Application Data, and then down to Faro, and then under CAM2 Measure X1. Alrighty, notice that I've got the FCE file saved underneath that CAM2 Measure X1 directory. Now I've got some clients that'll save their parts underneath this CAM2 Measure directory in separate folders. They'll build up some separate folders underneath there, or they'll set up a part number of folders underneath there as well, or they'll put it into some totally different directory structure as well. But I just wanted to show you where the default was in Faro's system for sending out that FCE file. And now the way that can be changed, if you were going to build your own directory structure, just go right under the File menu, Preferences, or you can use this icon right here. This is the Part and Application Preferences, so I'll click on that. And then right up at the top here under Application Preferences, you've got the paths. These paths are the defaults that Faro has set up to sending out all of the files, whether they be for soft check tools or learn executes or drawing files, which in this case is an FCE file. So if I wanted to change that, what I would do is double click on this location path here, and don't let it go to Measure X1. I would pick some different directory structure to send it. In my case, I've got a clients folder set up underneath my D drive here. So I would highlight that and say OK. And notice it changes the location here on this dialog box. So now if I want that change to stick, what I would do is say Save in my default XAP file. Once I say Save to that, and yes, I'd like to overwrite that default, now what I'll say is Load this file at startup. So once I click on that, every time I pull up X1 and save an FCE file, it will default to saving in my client's directory, which is located in my D drive.